How do you think about the replacing humans element of this? Is this going to compress the sales management layer, or is this going to be the Iron Man
Yeah.
suit for sales managers to do
Yeah.
more?
Yeah, it's a good question. Anytime I say AI sales coach, people think we're trying to replace coaches. That's not what we're trying to message. Like we don't think that AI will fully replace, a human coach anytime soon. But
I mean, you
rather,
can't replace what you don't have, right? Like
exactly.
most sales reps
Most
don't
of
have
these they
access
don't.
to a sales coach because the economics don't support it. And I 100%
Exactly. And this
love
is like the
that.
next best thing, right? To give every rep somewhat of an AI coach, right? At least it's better than nothing. It gets 70% of the way there of what a human coach would be able to do. And then in terms of, sorry, your question was around what specifically again?
Yeah, is this gonna replace sales managers, or is this
Right.
gonna be the Iron Man suit they get to wear?
For sure. Well, the way we think about it, Colin, is it's going to be able to support managers in a way that they can manage more reps than they ever could. For example, like I think the industry average right now is 1 to 8, the manager to rep ratio.
Mhm.
If we can get that to 1 to 15, 1 to 20, 1 to 25, we see that as a huge success. Right? Because ultimately, we want to take coaching, at least call coaching off of the manager's workload, which most managers don't even do these days. But they know if I did coach, this could
Mhm.
impact our win rate significantly, yet they don't because they don't have time. We want our AI to be the replacement so that they can use that time more wisely for other things.